Be it stress, poor lifestyle, or genetics, we all face hair fall at some point in time. But for a few people, it becomes constant and cause a major hair loss. Traya recently uncovered some eye-opening findings about male hair loss in India. The data is both surprising and concerning, shedding light on extent of this issue among male population. The data shows that a significant amount of 50.31% of Indian men experience hair loss who are under the age of 25. Even more striking is the fact that 25.89% of men are below the age of 21 and are already at the stage of 3 or beyond in terms of hair loss. As the age bracket shifts from 21 to 25-year-old, this number increases to 33.5%. This suggests that hair loss has become a major concern among young men, with average age of Traya customers of being 28. Understanding the cause of hair loss. Well, hair loss can be attributed to a singular primary factor or a combination of multiple causes. The study reveals that one of the primary culprits behind the male hair loss is dandruff. Shockingly, 65% of Indian men under the age of 25 experience hair loss and suffer from dandruff. This scalp condition can lead to itching, inflammation, and irritation, ultimately resulting in hair loss. Stress and anxiety have also emerged as the leading contributors to hair loss in men. In fact, 6 out of 10 men who experience hair loss report being under significant stress. The importance of sleep. Sleep patterns also plays a crucial role in hair health. Irregular sleep patterns contribute to hair loss in 3 out of 10 young men who are under the age of 25. In conclusion, this study reveals that hair loss is a pressing concern among Indian men, especially those in the early 20s. While dandruff, stress, and sleeping patterns have emerged as a significant factor, it's essential for individuals to take proactive steps to address this issue and maintain their hair health. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.